So this is going to be your external rotation kinetic stretch. We do this in the 90-90 position. Once you have your spacing correct, what you want to do is find your active external rotation. So we go down to the elbow, try to lift the ankle and shin. You sit back upright until you can't quite lift that off. And now we want to flex the hip and try to externally rotate with no spine movement. So you're going to start by attempting to lift your ankle. Probably not going to lift there. And you're going to flex your hip, and you're going to pull yourself down as low as you can get without letting your spine round. So I'm trying to tilt my tailbone back. I'm pulling myself down as far as I can while trying to lift the ankle. When I hit that bottom position, meaning I've gone as low as I can with no spine movement, I drive my whole shin into the floor, push the body back upright. To know you're doing that correctly on the way down, we need to feel this stuff in front of the hip contracting, possibly stretching the bottom side. Once you go to push the shin down and push your body back upright, we want to feel that it's all the tissue below the leg, nothing on top, pushing us back upright. And then just repeat that on each side for the desired number of reps.